So greetings for the day, guys. Hello, this is Vinay Bajaj signing in for you all, a plus educator at Unacademy for class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For class 8, 9, 10, I take care of mathematics, especially for 9, 10th, I take maths and physics and biology, all three. Now biology, I'll be starting from October. Okay, till now I used to take maths and physics. Moving forward to class 11 and 12, I take care of economics. And here I am today on Unacademy's class 9 and 10 YouTube channel for all my learners, especially 10th grade learners, with the topic trigonometry. So now today we are not going to solve sums related to your NCERT or R.D. Sharma or any other author. But yes, we are here to solve your previous year questions. Those who all don't know me, just introducing myself in short, I am Vinay Bajaj, living in Mumbai, currently working with Unacademy as a plus educator, verified with a blue tick. Okay. Now, having completed my bachelor's in accounting and finance, have completed my master's from Mumbai University, have also cleared my company secretary foundation level, that is the first level of the course. Having a teaching experience of more than 6 years, this journey has been really a beautiful one and looking forward for an amazing one with Unacademy as well. So, today's topic is trigonometry. As everyone knows, it is there on the screen. Moving forward, I just would like to introduce you all to the prime batch which has started just recently, that is from 14th September. This particular batch has started 2020. This batch is ending on 30th January 2021. We'll be seeing the new years together, hopefully with a lot of positives, unlike 2020. Okay, so the duration of the course is 4.5 months, and this will be only focusing on preparing you for your final exams. That is CBSE 2021 hashtag. Preparing you for your finals. Now for maths, you will have exclusively myself, Vinay Bajaj, for both class 9 and 10. Talking about the whole batch, I'll be talking about this batch towards the end of the session. Now I request everyone, those who are not yet ready with their books, quickly get your books along and we start. Get your books along and we start in no time. Now this is previous year questions session part 1. This is part 1 of the session. Okay, part 1 of the session. Hopefully, I am sure that you guys will be enjoying the part 1 and the part 2 will also be soon coming up on the channel. तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं. Are you guys ready? And those who are really willing to subscribe Unacademy can use my referral code VB19. So now you can either use VB19 or you can use Vinay Sir Live. You can use both the codes Vinay Sir Live. Both the codes are applicable. You can use any one of them, but you have to use any one of them. You should. And why not? And why not? No overwriting. I'll write it again for you all, which since it's my referral code, Vinay Sir Live. You can use Vinay Sir Live or VB19, any of the two, for a 10% discount, a flat 10% discount. Alright, तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं आज का ये खेला आप लोगों की screens पर. I'll be writing the questions for you all along with the year. So today in the part 1 we'll be solving short questions, and in the part 2 it will be of proof questions. This question was asked in the year CBSE 2020 paper, and you have to write the simplest form of 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. I know you will find it very easy since we have done trigonometry 3 times on the portal with so many sums, and I'm sure you guys are very confident enough. ठीक है, so चलो शुरू करते हैं. Now we know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Therefore, we will have sec square A upon cosec square A. Now, sec square A is nothing but 1 upon cos square A. Cosec square A is nothing but 1 upon sine square A. What can I do is, I can substitute, that is 1 upon cos square A the whole upon 1 upon sine square A. Moving forward, I can get sine square A upon cos square A. Yes or no, public? Sine square A upon cos square A. Now, we know that tan A is equal to sine square A upon sine A upon cos A. Therefore, sine square A upon cos square A is equal to tan square A. So this is the simplest form. The simplest form of this is tan square A. Did everyone understand? Did everyone understand the question? We know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. We know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Now sec square A is equal to 1 upon cos square A and cosec square A is nothing but 1 upon sine square A. Moving forward, we substituted these values and then 1 gets cancelled, sine square A comes up. When we bring the new fraction in the denominator, in the numerator, we will reciprocate it. So we'll get sine square A upon cos square A, which is nothing but tan square A. So the simplest form of 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is tan square A. So I am sure that everyone will be very clear with it. Chalo, let's move on to the next question. This question is asked to you in the year, again 2020, CBSE 2020. If tan A is equal to 1, comma, then 2 sine A cos A is equal to 2 sine A cos A is equal to dash. So now, chalo, let's change the color of the ink. We know that tan A is equal to 1 given, but can we say tan A is equal to tan 45? Since tan 45 degree is equal to 1, so on comparing this, we will get A is equal to 45 degrees. So now substituting the value of A, we get, therefore 2 into sine 45 into cos 45. Now what is the value of sine 45? We'll get 1 upon under root 2. So now two into 1 upon under root 2 into 1 upon under root 2. Yes, is it very clear to everyone? 1 upon under root 2 are the values. Yes, okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. What we'll get? 2 into 1 upon 2. So the final answer will be 1 only, public. The final answer which I'll get is 1 only. So I'll write here 1. Is it very clear? If tan A is equal to 1, then 2 sine A cos A is equal to what? Then 2 sine A cos A is equal to what? So first we know that tan A is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to 1. 1 is nothing but tan 45. On comparing, we strike off tan. So angle A का value मिल गया 45 degrees. Once we get 45 degrees, what we have to do here is just substitute 2 sin A cos A के बदले 45 डाल दो. sin 45 cos 45 की वैल्यू सेम होती है, वो डाल दो. √2 into √2 2 होता है, 2 2 कट हो जाता है तो 1 बचता है. I know these questions are very simple. Just to give you an idea about how questions are asked, this video will be very helpful for you all. चलो नेक्स्ट करते हैं. मैं वापस येलो कलर ले लेता हूं. चलो, the value of this question was asked to you again in CBSE 2020. So, the value of sine square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to dash. So let us take white color this time. Solution. We have sine square theta plus the whole upon 1 plus tan square theta. What we will do here is we will convert this into what? 1 plus tan square theta को हम किस में convert कर देंगे? Anyone? We know it's sec square theta. So now sine square theta plus 1 upon sec square theta. Once we get this, can I say it is sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So now, which all identities we have used here? We need to mention them. Since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta and 1 by sec square theta is equal to cos square theta and sine square theta plus cos square theta. So this is how we get the answer. So the answer is again 1. Very clear to everyone? I hope it is very clear. Just quickly have a look. If you want to copy, I give you 30 seconds. Quickly copy and then we move forward. I'll just drink water till then. Just to avoid fogs, I had to do that. Chalo. Let's move forward now. I'm sure everyone is clear with this. Let's change the color of the ink. Let's move forward. Now, this question was again asked in the year CBSE 2020. My God. So you can see how many questions. This chapter is really very important. Simplest form of 1 minus cos square A 1 plus cot square A is dash. So let's use a blue color here and then solution. Alright, so now first we write 1 minus cos square A 1 plus cot square A. Now 1 minus cos square A is nothing but sine square A into 1 plus cot square A is nothing but cosec square A. Cosec square A. But we know that cosec square A is equal to 1 upon sine square A. So we cancel this off and we get 1. So the answer is again 1. Did everyone understand? Now let us make a note of the identities written. So let's quickly do that. 1 minus cos square A is equal to sine square A. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Then cosec square A is equal to 1 upon sine square A. So these are the identities which are used in the sum. So you can see what kind of questions are asked to you in a very short section for 1 mark in your paper. Yes, yes, yes. So the game of identities begins everywhere whenever trigonometry, we are talking about trigonometry. Let's give you 30 seconds and then we move on to the next one. Simplest form, we know that 1 minus cos square A is nothing but sine square A. We know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Then we know that cosec square A is nothing but 1 upon sine square A. Sine square A gets cancelled. 1 remains. Chalo. Next question on your screens. Again, we'll use yellow color standard. This question was asked to you in the year CBSE 2020 again. Chalo. Write the value of sine square 30 plus cos square 60. So chalo, let's do it. Solution. Sine square 30 plus cos square 60. Now 1 upon 2 the whole square plus 1 upon 2 the whole square is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Khatam ho gaya sum, which is nothing but 1 by 2. You're done with the sum. What you have to do here is to score full marks here, make sure you write this. Sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So finally you get the answer. No need of taking LCM also, but the identity's value is very important. So you can see how quickly are we solving the sums. Since we are practicing so much, now these questions will be lemon squeezy, easy peasy lemon squeezy in your terms. Yes, of course, yes. Chalo. So now let's move on to the next question for the day. This question was asked in CBSE 2019 to you all. CBSE 2019, where if sin x plus cos y is equal to 1. This is not I, this is a colon. X is equal to 30 degree and y is an acute angle. Y is an acute angle. Find the value of y. Find the value of y. So now let us change the color this time to red. Solution. Sin x plus cos y is equal to 1. X is 30 degrees, so can I write sin 30 degree plus cos y is equal to 1. We know that sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus cos y is equal to 1. So now cos y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So now cos y is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So therefore cos y is equal to 1 by 2, which is nothing but cos y is equal to cos 60 degree. Therefore y is equal to 60 degree. Now this you can have done by using angle sum property also. If x is 30, y is the other acute angle, one angle is always 90. So 180 minus 30 will give you 150 minus 90 will give you 60. So y is 60. This is how also you can solve the sum. Okay, this is how also you can solve the sum. Now again, just make sure we write the identities here. So let us quickly do that. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, and here we have used cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. This is how you have to do your sum. I hope everyone is clear. Again, 30 seconds, this slide will be there on the screen, and then we move forward. All right, let's see. Okay, Googles. चलो आगे बढ़े. Let's move forward now. Changing the color. Oh, no need to change. CBSE, which year? Again 2019. Chalo. So now the question is sine square 60 plus 2 tan 45 minus cos square 30 is equal to question mark. Let us go back to our traditional color white. White पे जाते हैं. ठीक है, चलो white पे जाएं. white color पे जाएं. चलो let's move forward. Sine square 60 is equal to, so we will write root 3 upon 2 the whole square plus 2 into 1. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. I'll have to put it on silent. Okay, chalo, minus cos square 60, that is nothing but root 3 by 2 the whole square. Now 3 upon 4 plus 2 minus 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 plus 2. So we get the answer as 2. We will get the answer as 2. Now what all identities we have used here, again do not forget to write them. तो यहाँ पे 2 मिल गया. चलो बड़ा सा लिखते हैं. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So is everyone very clear? Again, I give you 30 seconds quickly and then we move forward. मजा आ रहा होगा करने में, आता होगा, पता है, बट बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस कुछ इस तरह से ही आ रहे हैं 1 मार्क के आप लोगों के. All right. So moving forward just quickly. And one more thing, if you really like the video, do press the like button, do press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And if you want PYQs of any particular chapter, according to you, which video should I come up with next, please leave it in the comment section so that we can also plan that video and come up maybe live or a recorded video for that. And do not forget, if you are subscribing, use my referral code which is there on the right top of your screen. VB19 or Vinay Live. You can use any of the 2 codes. I hope everyone is pretty clear with it. Pretty clear. Chalo, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward now to the next question, again from CBSE 2019. That is, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate sec A. ठीक है, चलो. So now you can solve it by n number of means. I'll be solving it by using the identities. we know that sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Yes, public. So now sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a, ये भी हमें पता है. And we also know that cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a, ये भी we know. Now can I write cos a is equal to under root 1 minus sine square a? Yes, I can. When this square shifts there, it becomes root. Okay, and now can I substitute the value 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square? Solving this further, I'll get 1 minus 9 by 16. Solving it here for you all, what we will get, guys? We will get under root 16 minus 9 upon 16. So under root we get 7 by 16. That is nothing but sec a ढूंढना है, तो ये हो जाएगा root 7 by 4. Now therefore sec a is equal to 1 upon cos a. Solving this here is equal to 1 upon root 7 by 4. So we get the answer as 4 upon root 7. So the value of sec a is 4 by root 7. Did everyone understand the question? Yes. So you can do it by finding out the values of the hypotenuse that will come as 5x. You can use it that way also and find out sec a. I hope it is very clear. Very clear, very clear. अब hypotenuse 5 तो आएगा नहीं. क्यों? Because 3 upon 4 मतलब it is height upon hypo. Hypo 4x है, तो कुछ तो आंसर आपको रूट में आएगा, और वो जो आंसर आपको रूट में आएगा hypotenuse का that you can use to find out sec a, or you can do it by this method, whichever is comfortable to you. तो चलो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward. Now again a question in CBSE 2019. If 1 plus cos a 1 minus cos a is equal to 3 by 4, comma, find the value of sec a. 2019 question looks to be very simple. Let's use a white ink. Now it is given to me that 1 plus cos a 1 minus cos a is equal to 3 by 4. Changing the color and explaining it to you all. This is my a, this is my b, so it is in the form of a plus b. This is in the form of a minus b. So we know that a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So now 1 minus cos square a is equal to 3 by 4. Now 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos square a, can I write 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to cos square a? So I'll get 4 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to cos square a. Solving this further here, we get 1 by 4 under root is equal to cos a. Therefore cos a is equal to 1 upon 2. If cos a is equal to 1 upon 2, can I say sec a is the reciprocal? So sec a will be plus minus 2. Is it very clear to everyone? Very clear to everyone? So here what we have done is, we have used the identity of a plus b, a minus b the whole square, and then 1 minus cos square a, तो 3 upon 4 को यहाँ पे ले आए, minus cos square a वहाँ चला गया तो पॉजिटिव हो गया. Take the LCM as 4, then you get 1 upon 4 cos square A. Find out the value of cos A. It appears to come as plus minus 1 by 2. Plus minus 1 by 2. Sec A is nothing but the reciprocal of cos A. So we'll get plus minus 2. So till now we have secured so many marks. 6 to 7 marks in your paper of class 10 with respect to CBSE paper 2020 and 2019. 2020 and 2019. चलो तो फिर आगे बढ़ा जाए. Let's move forward to the next question. Alright, this is from the year CBSE 2020, again public. The chapter is OP in demand. Evaluate 2 sec 30 degrees into tan 60 degrees. तो चलो शुरू करें. 2 into sec 30. Now sec 30's value is 2 into 2 by root 3 into tan 60 is root 3. Strike it off. So 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. खत्म हो गया sum public. सिर्फ marks किसके रहेंगे? The identities which you write. Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. And you're done with the sum. 1 mark. So if we see this particular thing, then can I say, how many marks have you easily secured in your 2020's paper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 marks in your section A with respect to very short questions. 1 mark. You have secured 6 marks very easily. All right, let's move forward now. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ा जाए. और नाउ आते हैं, थोड़े से प्रूफ क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे, डोंट वरी, सब कुछ सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए नहीं छोड़ेंगे. तो चलो, CBSE 2020. Now these are your 2 mark questions. चलो, prove that one plus cot square alpha pen upon 1 plus cosec alpha is equal to only cosec alpha. तो यहाँ पे तो LHS RHS हो जाएगा. तो कौन सा कलर यूज करें? चलो ग्रीन ही करते हैं. सो LHS को पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. नाउ आई हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग इट. सो 1 प्लस cot square alpha the whole upon 1 plus cosec alpha. Can I change cot square को as 1 plus 1 plus cosec क्या गड़बड़ कर रहा है विनय? Can I change it to cosec square alpha minus 1 the whole upon cosec alpha plus 1? So now can I write it in the form of cosec alpha plus 1 cosec alpha minus 1 a plus b a minus b the whole upon cosec alpha plus 1. This bracket and this bracket gets cancelled. Solving it here, we get 1 plus cosec alpha minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 plus cosec alpha is equal to cosec alpha is equal to RHS. Hence proved secured 8 marks in 2020's paper. Secured 8 marks, yet not. Do not forget to write the identities. Do not forget to write the identities. So we know that cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So we have substituted, and in this step I will write it here. We have used the identity of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. You have to write always on the right hand side, since I don't have space on the slide. That is why I'm writing it wherever I have space. You always have to write it on the left hand side only, and then we strike off. उसके लिए तो कुछ लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And you have secured 8 marks in your CBSE 2020 paper. So you can see 80 में से, if we take out 10% of 80, how much do we get? We get 8. 10% of your paper was from trigonometry for CBSE 2020 students. So yes, this question. Let's move on to the next one. I give you 30 seconds again. Quickly see, have a look. I'll just drink water till then. Chalo, let's rock and roll again. Next question on your e-screens, again from CBSE 2020. So 10 marks in all we will be securing. Show that tan raised to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec 4 raised to the power theta minus sec square theta. चलो फिर आतंक मचाते हैं हरे कलर से. Now we know that sec 4 theta minus tan 4 theta is equal to sec square theta plus tan square theta, bracket open, sec square theta minus tan square theta. Which identity have I used here? I'll write it in blue color. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. This identity is being used here. Coming back to my normal color, ठीक है, अब is equal to what we will get, guys. Can anyone tell me what we will get, guys? चलो इसको तो as it is रहने देंगे. sec square theta plus tan square theta. Okay, now sec square theta के बदले can I write 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta. Now solving this further, what will I get? Sec square theta plus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta. So this gets cancelled along with this. So we get only sec square theta plus tan square theta. Yes or no, public? We get this, we get this, we get this. Yes, of course we get this. Now what is to be done further, guys? What is to be done further? Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? I give you 30 seconds to think. Come on, let's see how many of you all can think it in the correct manner. Where did my napkin go? I'm not finding it. Oh, it's here. All right, sorry. So now can we say that this sum is almost done, that we have sec 4 theta minus tan raised to the power 4 theta is equal to sec square theta plus tan square theta, that is nothing but sec raised to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta is equal to tan raised to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Can we say hence proved? Can we say hence proved? What I did, I will again repeat for you all. Follow my laser point. A square minus b square. ठीक है, a square minus b square. We know a plus b, a minus b. ठीक है, so ये कर दिया हमने a plus b, a minus b. Then kept this as this only. Sec square theta को we changed into 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan square theta and tan square theta gets cancelled off. So we have only this remaining. Now this is equal to this. Can we interchange the terms? Can we rearrange the terms? That sec raised to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta, that is the RHS, is equal to tan raised to the power 4 theta. This goes here, so this becomes positive. Tan raised to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Hence proved. This is what is required. So we have secured 10 marks in your paper for this time, that is 2020's paper, very easily. So chalo, giving you 30 seconds again. Let's see how many of you all are done with it, and let's move forward. Some problem with my glares today. Sure. Let's move forward. All right. So now we'll be solving a very old question, but it's a good question. Let's do it. The part 2 will be soon coming for you all, and that will have more intense questions, which is comprising for your 3-mark questions and for your 4-mark questions. Chalo. CBSE 2013. Simplify simplify 1 plus tan square theta 1 minus sine theta 1 plus not talking about a 1 plus phone here, all gadget gurus. 1 plus sine theta. All right, simple question. Let's start doing it. Okay, so now keep this as the same thing, 1 plus tan square theta. You will get here 1 minus sine square theta. I'll write the identities which I'm using. Then 1 plus tan square theta will become sec square theta. This will become sec square theta into this will become cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta into cos square theta. What is the final answer? You get the final answer as 1 only. Now what you have to do is just make sure you mention all the identities in the correct manner. That is a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Then 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. Okay. Sec square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta, which is nothing but 1. So in all for 2020 you secured 10 marks very easily without any involvement of complex sums or something. 2019 approximately we secured how many marks? Let me check it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 marks easily. And with respect to 2013, it's very old, but we ended up securing 20 2 marks. Okay guys, now all the remaining sums will be covered in your part 2. This was part 1 solution part. Coming back to your what we say, the batch thing which I had told you, I'll be explaining it to you all. So just a quick thing that the prime batch has already started from 14 September 2020 and it is going up to 30th January 2021. It's a 4.5 duration, 4.5 month duration. It is a batch with a duration of 4.5 months where you will be exclusively with me for mathematics and we'll be covering your whole syllabus. But this will have revised syllabus. In my individual courses, I'll be covering each and every topic in detail. As well in this batch also, this batch will majorly focus on revising topics and sums with respect to what can be asked along with your NCERT solutions. Then with respect to class 9, you will have Hardik Kheradia sir who will be taking care of SST, Anika Seth ma'am for French, Bhavna Bisht ma'am for Science, Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi, Vinay Bajaj, that is myself, for Mathematics in English, and Sandeep Dubey sir for English. What you have to do is, you just have to use my referral code and subscribe. You just have to use my referral code and subscribe. This is here on the screen. Referral code on the screen, VB19. You just have to use this code and subscribe. That's nothing else. You'll get a 10% flat discount and make sure that you get the benefit of this price. Is nothing but 15,000 आपको ऐप में दिखेगा. आप मेरा कोड यूज करोगे, VB19, V for Vinay, B for Bajaj, 19 is the number, and 13500 will be unlocked for you all. As you can see, it is a systematically designed plan. Daily 3-hour sessions with respect to different subjects, alternative day. 3 days a week will be English, 3 days a week will be SST, 3 days a week will be maths, 3 days a week French, 3 days a week science. Alternative days, that is MWF, will involve English, maths and science. TTS, that is Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, you'll have SST, French and Hindi. The time slots are also given to you accordingly. Moving forward to the 10th grade batch, we'll have Akansha Sharma ma'am who will be taking care of social science. We'll have Anika Seth ma'am again for French. We'll have Ajinkya Saluke sir who will be taking care of science. We'll have Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi. We'll have Vinay Bajaj, that is myself, again for maths for class 10 as well. And we'll have Vandana Bajaj ma'am for taking care of your English. So again, what you have to do is, you can use my referral code and unlock the price, that is 13,500 for you all, getting a 10% discount, and then the price will come up to 13,500 inclusive of all taxes that will be shown to you on the app. After using the referral code, you can also use the credits also guys. Okay, credits bhi aap use kar sakte hain. Again, as you can see, the timetable is Monday, Wednesday, Friday you'll have English, Hindi and SST. Every Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays you will have maths, science and French. So the timetable is precisely given to you. You can accordingly plan your schedule for the next 4.5 months. Now at half month is gone. We are almost done with the second chapter. But still, if you subscribe now, if you take a plus subscription now, then also all the previous sessions, live sessions conducted, the recordings will be unlocked for you all. They will be available exclusively after you take a plus subscription. So quickly, what you can do is, you can just finish off the live sessions also, and later end of the day you can cover up your recorded sessions which you have missed. Moving forward, these were the previous year questions. Then we discussed how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 questions today we have covered. And this is the half yearly batch which is going on, which is going to end very soon. So again, if you join, you can have this batch also. It is not like that you have to subscribe only for a batch. No, when you subscribe Unacademy Plus, each and everything which is going on the portal, on the paid platform, is available to you irrespective. Now this month we are coming up with approximately 20 batches more, which will be just focusing on your revision and preparing you again for the final exam. So whichever educator you want, you can follow them, you can stick to them, you can stick to their method which you are comfortable with. And it is not like monotonously I am teaching. There are a variety of educators across the country. The top educators of the country are coming up live for you all and teaching you all. This is free, absolutely free for everyone. The daily T20 MCQ test series is absolutely free for everyone. The plus subscribers can also sit for the 2020 tests, and the non-plus subscribers, those who are still thinking of taking a plus subscription at Unacademy. It had started way back on 31st August for class 9 as well as class 10 every Monday to Friday at 1:30 p.m. You can come up, you'll have daily T20. The name itself suggests how many questions you'll have. You'll have 20 questions of each, free for each and every one. Now let's practice session. This is amazing. This is amazing. This has been introduced to you very recently. You can download the app, view a special class of mine, and then you can have all the practice sessions, all the practice questions available there with respect to each and every chapter individually, and you can do n number of questions practice. You can practice n number of questions you want. Okay, just let me give food to my laptop quickly. All right. Then the quiz alert, you can join our Unacademy channel. You can join my Unacademy channel. Vinay Bajaj CBSE Unacademy channel is the name of the channel, and there I keep on sharing quiz codes with you all. What you have to do is just download the app and select the test option from there. ठीक है, प्लस पे जाओ, प्लस में नीचे टेस्ट दिखेगा. टेस्ट में आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ मेरा क्विज कोड डालना है ज्वाइन क्विज करके, और आप वो क्विज का हिस्सा बन सकते हैं. बट मेक श्योर यू डू दैट बिफोर द क्विज स्टार्ट्स, बिकॉज आफ्टर द क्विज स्टार्ट्स द रूम इज लॉक्ड. No one else can be a part of it. Now quiz alert, this quiz is applicable for all the plus students also, all the non-plus subscribers also. Let's challenge test series. Now the difference between this and the MCQ T20 series is nothing but this is only for paid subscriptions, that is the plus subscribers, those who have already subscribed plus Unacademy plus. The benefit of this thing is only that these tests have a mock analysis conducted. These tests have a test analysis session conducted by any of the top educator on the portal live for all the students, that too within 48 hours. So for example, अगर आज आपका टेस्ट हुआ है कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज का, तो उसके 48 के hours under, it can be the day itself, it can be the day after, it can be the day after tomorrow. But within 2 days of the session conducted, a mock analysis is conducted so that the doubts with respect to that mock test are cleared live in the session by a top educator on the portal. This is with respect to both CBSE class 9 as well as class 10. The one thing which I would request you all to do is nothing but whenever you subscribe Unacademy Plus, I am sure you will subscribe soon or right after this session. Use my referral code VB19, or now you can use Vinay Sir Live also. You can use my code Vinay Sir Live also. VB19 is short and sweet. You can use this also to subscribe. This is how now. Let me tell you. अरे यार ये वाला तो पुराना ही ले लिया मैंने. This has become class 11, class 10. ठीक है. And चलो, why to show you all the educator rankings amongst the students? What is my ranking? I'll tell you. For class 10, I am on 3rd place. For all the learners, for class 9, I am on the 2nd rank. So this is how my position stats. This has changed to 1 million. We have grown as a family. This has changed to 3,38,000 minutes. Again, this is 2.5 and plus, but it shows 2K. Now it will show 3K. This has changed to 482 dedications. What you have to do is just visit the link in the description. Follow me. Download the app. Follow me. Do watch my special class at least for 15-20 minutes. You will understand how do we teach on the portal. Why Unacademy Plus subscription? Daily classes of all the subjects, weekly quizzes, mega quizzes. Every week you have a quiz planned by each and every educator. Doubt solving every 3rd or 4th session in the course is a doubt solving session. Practice questions are provided, depends on the educator, and a lot of test series. This is a very good point. You can have n number of test series planned at Unacademy. No other portal will offer you this feature. Stop comparing. I will not compare any other portal. It is absolutely your choice, but I am telling you about Unacademy. What you have to do here is have a referral code. Yes, you have a referral code, Vinay Sir Live. मस्त रेफरल कोड है, यूज करना, टैटू करवा लो, याद कर लो, भूलना मत. और VB19, और you can use VB19 or Vinay Sir Live. Click on proceed to pay. All your 10% discounts will be unlocked. I hope you all enjoyed the session, and we'll be coming up soon with part 2 as well, guys, for you all. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful day. And take care of yourselves. Take care of your parents. Stay safe. Stay indoors. We are fighting hard with Corona. Let us together fight to eradicate such disease, pandemic disease. But make sure you follow all the precautionary measures. Whenever you move out, you wear a mask. Whenever you come in, you sanitize yourself properly. Take care of your parents. Do work instead of they going out and bringing vegetables or stuffs, because age is also the way we will recover very quickly. They might not recover that quick. All right, so stay safe. Jai Hind, guys. This is Vinay Bajaj signing off for the day, and I hope you all enjoyed the session. Those who really wish to see such sessions on YT conducted by me, you can leave it in the comments. Do share it with your friends. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe our channel. Bye, guys. God bless you all. Take care. Stay safe. Jai Hind.